Recording. Hello YouTube, Central Locomotive here with another YouTube video. Today I am building the world's longest train on RO scale, and I've already at least 70, almost 80 cars maybe. My goal is probably to break this game.
Break the game is my goal.
I am joined by Prince Mave 100, aka Jack, Wolf Lover.
Please end my suffering.
Hell.
Somebody in this video that types into the comments, please end my suffering. Somebody call the ambulance.
Yeah, Prince and Wolf are kind of pissed with me right now. You know what? I'll end it right here because I built the world's biggest train actually, because Wolf had the biggest ever. He broke Jack's record, which was 67 cars. I just broke theirs at least 80 cars. So I win. And I'm moving now. So I got 2 Union Pacifics AC7000, an F40, 4 GP7s, and 1100. So guys, who wants to come to the main area and take a look at this beauty?
Not me.
Wolf does.
How about both of you come?
Yeah, Wolf, you can go see it.
No, Prince, you're coming too. Be a nice boy, and you're coming.
I can't. I'm actually serious. I can't. I'm trying to upload my videos.
Too bad. Suck it up.
Dude, I'm serious. I'm trying to upload my videos.
Well, just to let you know, go subscribe to his YouTube channel. I wouldn't recommend it. He doesn't even have a good name.
It's the same name as my Discord name.
Yeah, which is kind of sad.
Hey!
And it's still not even out of the Amtrak yard yet. I'm still... Oh my gosh. It's now passing the F40 spawner. I'm not even halfway around the curve yet. Now I'm halfway around the curve.
I hate... when you upload videos, I hate how it says, yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids.
Yeah, I know.
I hate that feature. I hate YouTube. YouTube, fix your crap! I'm serious, YouTube. Fucking crap. It's bullshit. Okay, I gotta leave this 5-minute video because it was... What happened?
Hello?
Did your Discord break because of the train?
I think so.
Wait, dude, I think my train's entering the tunnel. Oh no, mine's going straight on. What the hell, man?
I gotta do Google Meets.
What?
I have to do Google Meets now. Wonderful. And guys, I'm moving good now. I got good speed, and I'm coming out of the tunnel now, Amtrak's tunnel.
Wait, can you actually create your own Google Meet?
I'm pretty sure you can.
But what do you mean you gotta do Google Meet?
Schoolwork. We'll put it that way.
Oh man, bro, that sucks.
Eh.
But it doesn't suck for me and Wolf because we don't have to deal with your shit.
Hey, if that means that means I don't have to attend. I don't think it's mandatory.
Did you just burp saying mandatory?
Yeah, she wants to do Google Meet. Don't know yet. I haven't just. Yep. Hey, guess what, guys? I'm out of the tunnel, and I'm at least doing 50.
Okay, I uploaded.
Okay, who's on the main line on the right side? So you better start moving your fat rear ends, 'cause here I come.
Not me.
Not me.
I have 2 minutes left for all my rest of my 3 that are still uploading. I got one that's called Roblox, Roll Scale, and Mav.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am about to be approaching the city.
Don't question my block skills. My skills. I know.
Prince, where are you? Prince!
I'm gonna see how long this video is.
Prince, where are you? Prince!
I can't tell you.
Tell me!
I'm past Wolf.
So you guys have to be back down here on my own.
So my videos run perfectly. That's good.
My videos run pretty good. How dare you disgrace
No,
me?
usually when I make YouTube videos, my videos lag like hell.
Well, that sounds
Hey,
like the
Wolf.
issue.
Look over in the corner. Look over in the edge. Since.
Well, you guys see my train?
Hey X, Killer Fox, what do you think about your train over the bridge?
Well, guys, you'll soon see my train, and you guys are gonna have your jaws drop, and you guys are gonna have to start worshipping me.
I am not giving you a damn cookie.
Oh, you will. Oh, you will.
Your cookie's never gonna come.
Since one's holding 2 shotguns right now.
I'm gonna name my next one Jack.
Oh my gosh, I feel like the king now. Jack, if you try intently breaking my record, it's gonna be super hard for you. So don't even think about it, okay?
My train's already left the area, so...
Yeah.
Just to let you know, if you do try breaking my record and you break it, I'm gonna go 10 times harder. Just so you know. Where you guys at?
I gotta wait until my uploads are done. I got one that's at 91%, 50%, and 9%.
I want to show you guys the Wolf's train is at 64 cars and it's right across the bridge.
Yeah, except
67.
yeah, he's actually at 67. You might want to look inside the tunnel.
Wolf, stay there, because so we'll compare our trains, even though I probably won.
Why are you not moving? I think he's axing you, Wolf. I am. No, I think he's axing Wolf.
No, I'm at the yard. Is he up
Are
here
you
with
not-
you guys?
Are you moving? Or are you not moving?
Oh no, he's up here with you guys. Wait, Wolf, are we actually going to compare our trains?
Yeah.
The sucky part
Prince!
is after we... What?
Set your screen. Get the points ready for me.
I'm busy because I'm trying to drive...
No,
my
get the
vehicle.
points ready. I don't care. You can suck it.
Well, let me check to see how far I am to the next yard. I'm waiting for my friend.
Can you not even spell right?
You won't spell Wolf of
I'm waiting for my friend? Friendy? What the hell? What type of English is that? What type of English is that?
I'm waiting for my book.
He's waiting for like me. I'm like, what the? Oh yeah, I definitely won this game easily. This game's got to bow down to me now. Is it me or is everyone else's FPS dropping significantly?
Wolf, this is gonna be fun.
Yet.
It's gonna be so...
Oh, you're gonna feel something when I get up there.
Oh god, sure, are you scared?
Hey, I'm passing the intermodal.
Wolf, look what I put in the game chat. You sort of put fuck you.
No, I just shut up.
Passing. Hey! I totally badly want to put F you chat, but I feel like the best. You gotta make sure you're on the right track. by
I'm on the
way.
left track.
Okay, making sure you're on the left track. Well, of course you're on the left track because you started on the left track. Wolf's nice, Prince gay. You mean and thinks he.
This is what you mean.
But he's not. Oh, Maple, fuck you.
We do this all the time, guys. Don't worry about it.
If there's like a way we could do a Google Meet, please do that.
No. Do
Or
Zoom.
just- Zoom.
Look it up. It's like Google Meet, except it's easier.
Dude, I can't. I don't have a Zoom account.
No!
No, what?
He left!
I'm going to. It too laggy.
Look what you did, Prince!
What do you mean? Whose train is this?
The right one was probably his, and then I probably just wrecked it. We're going on the left side. Wolf, Prince. Prince, come to me. Prince, look.
Oh my God, Wolf! He actually did. Wolf touched his train. I'm gonna stop his train before it's late.
Guys, I just won.
Yeah.
He did.
He died, just one. No one cares, son.
Nobody gives a shit, son. Unless you bought me a cookie, I care. Dude, you can't fucking delete the cars.
Why? Because of me?
Yes!
Good. So I could probably just steal his cars and make it even bigger.
No, I fixed it. I fixed it.
Can I steal his cars?
No!
I'm getting up to a switch. I'm going to be able to.
Are you using your bell on your train?
No. I don't know what you're talking about. Who's trying to take a crap right now? Dude, switch your points for me. I'm taking his cars.
No, I'm deleting them because they're too much lag.
No, I'm taking his cars.
No!
I'm taking his cars.
You just go to the bridge and line up with your...
No, I want his cars. He's
No.
got a good chunk for me. He left them for me.
Dude, I wouldn't recommend pulling these cars because these cars...
I don't care. I'm pulling them.
No! You're gonna have a bad derailment and it's gonna crash the server!
No, won't watch me. Leave it. I'll prove you wrong right now.
No, just keep going, please.
No. Leave it alone. Or I'll delete your train.
Dude, my train's already fucking low as hell.
I'll delete your train if you don't leave those cars.
My train's all the way over there.
And I'll delete Wolf's train I want too. If you don't leave those cars alone.
No, fine, bitch. Make the game crash, and if it's your fault, you're no longer the switcher. You're fired. You're fired.
This is gonna be such a good win.
The server, he's fired.
So you're telling me to leave now?
Man, you don't like we should just go to the private server and just do roleplay now?
No! I want to compare trains. Fine, I won't hook up.
Then just keep going, cause you're already.
That's what I'm doing.
You're gonna just waste freaking Wolf's time.
Well, Wolf can go play around with your train. How's that?
No. Train's already getting almost to his destination. I gotta drop it off.
Drop it off and go crash the game.
No, I gotta go drop off the load, and I gotta bring up another train that's gonna be coming down the tracks.
We'll go do that on the private server, but I want to compare trains. Wolf, start coming down the hill. We can meet halfway.
Do you want me to just start hopping on the private server and start making the yard, fill up the yard?
Are you gonna break my switchers?
No.
Fine. But I want you to come back once I get here.
I'll stay. I mean, like, I could stay on right now, but you.
Yeah, just stay on then.
So as soon as I leave that server, it's gonna restart everything.
Yeah, so just stay here then. Hey, Prince, if you want, you can go get some locomotives and go help me get up this hill.
I'm good. I got a locomotive myself, boy.
You realize it's gonna take me at least half an hour.
But I gotta delete those cars anyway, because if I gotta take that one track that I'm on, I gotta take the right track so I could go past you. It's probably gonna take fucking forever.
These engines are going to freaking blow up.
Could you imagine those type of train going down the tracks in real life?
You can't delete the train. You can't. You can't delete. You know those intermodal cars? You can't delete them. That's how bad it is.
Well, you can. You see those blue squares? You'll see those blue squares that are on those rolling cars.
Yeah.
Click on those blue squares. It deletes them.
I am. It's not
bad
working.
about that. You gotta point at the blue square.
I did. It's not working.
Just wait until you see where you can click on it.
Just come back here, dude.
Let me first check to see. Hey, Wolf.
Alright.
Wolf, are you still there?
He's still there, blowing his fucking whistle. Hey, you know what you should do? The rules is you gotta have all cars on the bridge and just see if it's from the one car. Like your train has to be inside of the end of the tunnel.
Oh.
And we know what you should do is see whose train is long to go underneath this tunnel that I'm in right now. Wolf probably could beat that. I bet Wolf that or frickin' Maple did.
Guys,
What?
we have a huge problem.
What do you mean?
Come take a look.
I'm getting hungry just sitting here.
Mhm.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming down to you. What are you saying?
What do you think?
Oh.
So look from here and all the way down. Just keep going until you see the last boxcar. How far does he even stretch?
Who, me?
No, me.
Oh.
Wait, that's how long it is? That might not be good for me.
So I am walking from you.
I don't know. We'll find out soon. I'm pretty sure I'm longer than you, though. I'm over 70 cars.
The trains don't count.
I didn't count the locomotives. Yeah, this would be a lot of wheels slipping right now. Going
You think?
uphill. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap it up because it's just gonna get boring and all of that. But this is what the world's longest train is. So I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye.